Hey guys, I'm Lewis. Today I'm gonna show you what we're gonna do with Minecraft mods or plugin. This is for our programming club, and yeah, this is just to show you what we're gonna do. Alright, before we do that, please go on our club website right now, pause the video, go right now to programclub.weebly.com. Click on the registration, enter your badass name, email, and just click on whatever things you've learned. Click on all the language you've learned. For me, I can click all of them because Further, please specify, maybe some of you guys work with special programming languages. Submit this and to see what our potential is, and then read this a little bit. Okay, let's not spend too much time on our website. Okay, now let's get back to the real shit. Okay, so one of our first plans written on our website is that what are we gonna do? We're gonna try to recreate Marvel and DC heroes in our Minecraft. And if you don't know what Marvel and DC is, wow, you're living in the wrong. Never mind. Ooh, I was gonna say something, but it didn't come out right. Never mind. Well, it's impossible that you don't know Marvel. So these are the the heroes that I'm talking about: Hulk, Superman, Iron Man. Wonder Woman or something. What's it called? Wonder Woman, right? Or am I wrong? Never mind. So we're creating these heroes in Minecraft, and if you don't know what Minecraft is, then Minecraft is a sandbox, open-ended, completely awesome game. And you can see it's like all blocky and pixelated. If any one of you are in AP Computer Science or Intro, well, actually only AP Computer Science, you've probably worked with Grid World. Minecraft is like a 3D grid world. Plugin development wise, it is so fun. You could do so much things, and it is endless. It's full of endless potential. Alright, let me just show you what I've already done with Minecraft plugins. So I've created a few plugins called Flame Sword and Falling Blocks, just to show you guys. I can't show you my complete process of making these plugins because it did take some time and over the course of 2 days, but I could play around with it. Okay, I really need to practice my speech. Alright, so this is this is Eclipse. So Flame Sword was one of my first plugins that I made, and basically it adds a sword to the Minecraft game, and when you left click, oh my god, I don't know how to explain this. It's too much awesomeness. It's just too awesome. Let me just show you in game. So I'm gonna just run my plugin, run my server. Let's show you my plugin. See, there's not a lot of code, but you could do so much with so little work. Okay, let me show you. So this is localhost, my server that I've just started right there, and yeah. Oops. So this is Minecraft. It's very blocky. I'm in creative mode. Creative mode basically means that you're gonna be creative and you won't die. And you get unlimited everything. You can fly around. Okay, let me get a sword for you and show you my plugin Flame Sword. By the way, this is me in game. IMHD is my username. Alright. So, see, I have a sword in my hand. And then what my plugin did was, if you punch the ground, you create a line of fire and you make lightning strikes where the line of fire ends. Now let me show you how this plugin works. Alright, I hit here. Did you see that? Oh, it was blocked by a tree, wasn't it? Hit like that. Hit like that. Yeah. And that's that. And then if you right click, you can enable fire run mode, which basically you turn into Lava Man almost, and you run leaving trails of fire behind, setting everything on fire. But you also burn yourself, which restrict you from spamming the flame run mode. Now let me show you. Hey sheep, want to join us on our video? Okay, anyway, I'm gonna enable Flame Sword. I'm gonna right click. Oh, whoops, conflicting plugin. Yep. Oops. Never mind, I can still show you Flame Sword. That feature was from another plugin. That was from the Falling Blocks plugin. See, now wherever I run, I'm setting everything on fire, leaving a fire trail behind. I think this was one of the powers that one of the Marvel DC heroes had. Yeah, I'm leaving a fire trail everywhere I go. The fire will eventually die. If I right click again, do it under a tree so I don't fly this time. You see, it says in the bottom, flame mode deactivated. You're normal again. So, how was Flame Sword made? Well, here's the project. I'm not gonna go too much into detail. I'm not gonna go too deep into the details, but basically, there's like a listener to what players do, on player interact, and then once I left click or right click on something, it does a series of events that I've programmed. For instance, the streak of fire, the lightning. Now let me just customize this so I can show you its potential. So this is the streak fire hit. This is the left mouse. All of this is happening when I left click. This is what happens when the fire streak ends. I think you loop, yeah, it loops. And let me just change this, tweak this a little bit. Yes, create explosions. And then the end power 0 because I don't want to destroy anything. Let's show you. See, that was really simple. One line of code. You change a feature, it's instant. Let me just quickly disable the flying block mod because it's conflicting my flame sword. Okay. Okay, now if I right click, I won't fly. There we go. Whoops. So everything is burning because of my super awesome powers. Now, what I'm expecting is if I left click, it'll create a streak of fire and then explode. All right, let's go. There we go. Neat. So that was just a demonstration to show you guys how easy it is to create a plugin. This is perfect for our club because not everyone have spent like over at least 1 year over with programming. So this is, I promise you, this will be the easiest thing. This will be easier than intro programming. Now, okay, speaking of beginners and intermediate and pros, members of our club. I'm gonna kill that thing first. So, if you're a pro, thank God, awesome. We're so happy to have you. This is going to be the best club for you if you love programming, if you love computer. And then you'll have a lot of fun in our club. For intermediate, you'll be fine because I just showed you how easy it is to make Minecraft plugins. Or Minecraft plugins may not be the main thing that we're doing, but this is just, you know, like our initial thing to get our club actually started and doing stuff. You'll be fine. Intermediate. For beginners to non-programmers, to be honest, I'm a bit concerned about you guys, but it'll be fine as long as you're passionate about computers, because you'll need to put in some work to actually participate in what we're doing. So for beginners, if you're passionate, back to what I was saying. It's best if you have at least some knowledge of computer, some knowledge of initial thing. Okay, now here's a few plans for beginners. Plan A. If you're a sophomore or junior, you can choose intro programming or AP programming or game design next year, so you can participate in our club next year instead of this year. So yeah, that'll get you prepared for our club projects. Yeah, and you'll be working with Mr. Nip, a really good teacher. Well, I'm not a student yet, but from what I've heard, he's awesome. And he's also our club, advisor. Okay, so that's plan A. Now let's move on to plan B. Plan B is for the hardcore people like me, because I was completely self-taught programming. I can't say I'm a pro, but at least I'm not struggling at all. Like, you can self-teach programming many ways. You can self-teach Java specifically on YouTube. Very good resource. There's a channel called The New Boston. Has the best in my opinion, the best Java tutorials, the best everything tutorial, including C language, everything. I love his videos, but sadly he's not making videos anymore, but his videos are still good. It's somewhere in here, you know, it's somewhere in here. It won't take you long. You'll learn Java, and then if you need to learn about programming plugins, you can well, for Java you can ask us too, but you could watch tutorials. And for plugins, it's the same. If you're struggling and if you have any problems, you can ask us, no problem. I could teach you. I bet if you guys know Ben, he could teach you, or some other member of our club. We can all help you out, no problem. Or another option, there's this kid called BC Bros. He's been making these tutorials for 2 years already. It's repeating, like he does projects. He doesn't teach anything new, starting off from like episode 20, because there's really not much to teach about programming plugins, because it's so easy for Minecraft. Okay, now back to the point. If you're hardcore, you can self-teach it. It's easy. So that's about it, I guess. Thank you guys for watching. This is IMHD, or Lewis Hall. IMHD is my YouTube channel. This is Lewis from Programming Club. I hope to see you guys soon. We'll have a meeting sometime soon. Stay tuned. Stay updated. Bye bye.